The mind is a battlefield, silent, merciless, and invisible. Even now, as you sit here watching this, distractions gather around you, notifications flash on your screen, deadlines whisper at the edges of your mind. Your to-do list never ends, pulling your attention every which way. But what if the secret to cutting through the noise wasn't more effort, but something far older? Something discovered centuries ago in the quiet monasteries of the East. Meet Gohan. His struggles are yours as well. Fitness goals left incomplete, career dreams within reach but out of his fingers, relationships that require more time than he has. Every morning, he wakes up with determination. Today will be different. But by nightfall, he's right where he always is, mesmerized by the glow of his phone. Another day lost to his fingers. A wise man once said these words: "Your worst enemy cannot harm you as much as your own unguarded thoughts." And that's the essence of Gohan's conflict. Not the outside world, but the storm within. His mind is a monkey that jumps around, restless, frantic, always seeking to flee pain. But here is what the monks learned years ago. Resistance isn't something you defeat. The first step is simply to see. When Gohan finally saw his mind's refusal to confront difficulty, things shifted. He stopped struggling. Instead, he watched, regarding his thoughts like clouds drifting across a blue sky, without grasping or rejecting them. Just awareness, however, wasn't enough. And then there was Lao Tzu saying, "By letting go, it all gets done." I didn't compute initially. How is letting go doing? But the truth of Wu Wei, no resistance, eventually dawned on me. Imagine a tangled skin. Pull tighter, tighter it gets. But let go of the tension and the threads relax and unwind by themselves. Gohan realized his fight wasn't against the tasks themselves, but against the energy he put into them. Then came the exercise of Zazen, sitting silently. It was agony at first. His mind struggled with the quiet, causing minutes to feel like hours. But as Zen master Dogen taught, if you cannot find the truth right where you are, where else do you expect to find it? And so Gohan stayed, and gradually something amazing occurred. Just as sediment falls in a glass of water, his mind began to clarify. The answers he had been pursuing were all along present, hidden beneath the din. But the Lotus method is not alone. The Shaolin monks knew that purity of mind must extend to body. Gohan began applying his focus to single tasks, attacking each with the clarity of a monk's strike, no longer squandering his energy. Instead, he focused it, like sunlight through a lens, concentrated and burning. However, frustration came. The progress was slow. The results didn't happen overnight. That is when he remembered the lotus flower, seated in mud, pushing through darkness, emerging only when full grown. It doesn't hurry. It grows slowly, trusting its own rhythm. This was his final lesson: patience. Letting go of the need for immediate results, he found satisfaction in the process itself. His growth, like the lotus, moved unseen, unwavering, unstoppable. So where are you along this journey? Still fighting the current or ready to do it differently? Start with one step by itself: awareness, surrender, stillness, action, or patience. You won't transform overnight, but every morning you will wake up a little closer to the light. The mind can be your best friend or your worst enemy. The decision, as always, is yours.